Hi, Shimmy Shaker. Welcome to day 14 of our 30-day dance challenge. I teach you a new combination every day for 30 days, building towards the end of the year and a beautiful choreography. So if you haven't seen days 1 to 13, please check them out if you want to learn the whole choreography. And also if you're impatient and you want to learn the whole choreography now, I do have it on my Patreon page too, so I'll link that right here. You can check it out if you want to learn it all. Otherwise, welcome to day 14. We have a beautiful combination, a little bit more simple, but it's a really fun one, and it's one that you'll be able to use a lot. We are starting off today with our Maya, or our downward figure 8. So with your Maya downward figure 8, we start with our feet hip width apart, pelvis tucked in, chest up. You can have your hands wherever you like, or here, wherever. And we're bringing one hip up, out to the side, down and in, other side, up, out, down and in, up, out, down and in. And then when you're ready, start to smooth it out. So today, we're doing quite fast Mayas. So you can have nice relaxed knees. And I also find when I'm moving fast with this move, I don't bring my heel all the way to the floor. I keep my heels a little bit up, and I really rely on my core to get my hip up. Yes. But also to move fast. So as always, with nearly every belly dancing move, when we do it fast, it might become a little bit smaller. The next move we're doing today is our undulation. So we're bringing our chest forward, our stomach forward, our hips forward, and release. If you feel like you've got this move, you really use that stomach, those stomach muscles, to pull in and give your organs a massage as you pull through. Yeah, nice. So our combination today, very, very simple, but really beautiful. We're coming 3, 2, 1, undulate, undulate. Again, 3, 2, 1, undulate, undulate. Let's try it the other side, starting this hip. 3, 2, 1, undulate, undulate. Again, this side. 3, 2, 1, undulate, undulate. Good. So let's try that combination just a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 1, undulate, undulate. 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 There you go. I hope you like that combination. This is one to use if you want to use accents, but also when you want to bring the energy down a little bit, but still do something beautiful. Watch out for the end of the week, because we are going to bring all these combinations into the choreography with the music for this section. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow morning for part 15.